So what you have when you start this out is you have a section. You can kind of create some rulers for this. The only reason I use the rulers is inside is the ruler guide, and I'm grabbing a vertical and horizontal just to set the center point. And as it says, it's just the green part that we're going to start off with, taking a rectangle just on the vertical line. If you don't use the line, that's okay, but it's just trying to help you get organized on it. The option lets it go from the center out, and just kind of matching the green they have. There's a few pieces, 6 sides. Then going to the rotation tool inside there, you'll see the initial shade, window shading it on the outside. Just clicking option right in the middle of that intersection and clicking the tool, and this brings up the rotation device, and just trying to make 6 of them. So on the angle, just going 360 divided by 6. Click on preview and you can see where it jumps to, and copy will put it there, and then holding Command D is going to duplicate them around. But I'm just going to make it a little tighter. This is just showing the rotation, so undoing it till I get back, and just drop this down, right down the ruler guide, and you can, if you do just one side, you'll see it just opens it up halfway, but if you hold the option key, it'll spread it out equal distances on either side. And I might just bump it up a little bit, just selecting it. You can use the arrow key to move that up a little bit, just to give it a space, and then just hold the option and click, and it'll give you the same presets already recorded. And there's 6 panels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. I kind of did a little bit more than they did, but just selecting it. Taking a look now under the effects, you have both Illustrator and Photoshop effects on the top there. Just going to stylize, and inside there's all these that you want to try to investigate. Give them a try. But stylize down to rounded corners gives you another menu set at point, 57 point, which is the type size as you figure that out. And just hit preview, and it takes every corner, rounds it off. Okay, sets it up. I'll just backtrack a little bit, but there's the option for it. So it's just a filter almost, and through an effect that takes this. I'll just duplicate one here, change it to blue, and take the same group, just select them all. I just have one more than they do, so that's all that's showing. And just go to the preview, and again, here it is at points, and you can use the arrows or the arrow key, clicking right inside there to type this out. Sometimes you have to hit preview back and forth just to get it to show through if you do the number prior to it. So that's all that's showing, and essentially you have just this selection. It's rotated, and that's basically what you're trying to come up with.